Welcome to the manufacturing zone of the Dassault Systèmes 3D Experience Forum. I'm Chinmaya. I take care of the Delmia business, which is relating to the manufacturing vertical. Three main areas that we are showcasing here. The first one is what we call as the product virtual twin, or the plant or the factory virtual twin itself. This is where we model the entire plant in 3D. And you also basically define all the processes, validate all the processes, the factory flow in terms of the throughputs, virtual commissioning, ergonomics, robotics, all of the different areas that you can simulate in the 3D context to get your product out first time right. That is the intent of the solution that we have here, which is what is covered under the product/process virtual twin that we have. The next one that we have is around the perform or the manufacturing systems or the production systems virtual twin. Here is where we actually track whatever virtually you've defined. How do you take it into real production? So the virtual to real connection happens here, and you basically do the execution of the work orders and track the execution of all the work orders that need to happen. So you basically get a sense of the planned versus actual through the system here. And you also see all the metrics that are defined onto the 3D itself. So it also becomes a control tower, so to say, leveraging the 3D and the data coming in from your manufacturing execution systems and using that data to make a control tower on top of it. And the third one is around the Optimise area. This is basically our supply chain virtual twin, be it the demand planning, supply planning, cut capacity planning, or the detailed scheduling. All of those solutions are available as part of our supply chain virtual twin solutions. So again, whatever you've designed, how you're manufacturing it, but for it, what do you need to manufacture in terms of material, in terms of how the schedule or the sequence of the steps that needs to happen in order to optimally deliver, because in the shop floor, there are always going to be surprises. How do you quickly replan your schedules as well on a daily level or even at the monthly level is something that we do as part of our 20 portfolio, which is the supply chain.